Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will explain the trades that we provided in both the free group and the VIP group. As you guys already know, we provide all trades for educational purposes, and we also share a lot of knowledge on this channel. If you haven't watched our previous videos yet, make sure to check them out first. In those videos, we explain all the methods, trades, and strategies in detail, so go and watch them. Also, if you want to avail all the offers, you can text us on Telegram. The link is available in the description. Now, let's start the video. The session starts here. We provided our first trade in the free group on EURCHF for an upside call move. Let me explain the trade. You can see a red candle that left a wick on the upside, and the candle was taking rejection from the moving average. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was an amazing win. Now let's move on to the second trade that we provided in the VIP group on EURUSD for a downside move. Let me explain it. There was a clear downtrend, and the previous candle was also taking rejection from the moving average. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was also an amazing win. Next, let's move on to the third trade that we provided on AUDUSD for a downside move. Let me explain the trade. The candle left a wick on the downside, and there was also a resistance level present. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was another amazing win. So, the session ended here, and we won all 3 non-martingale trades. If you want to avail all the offers, or if you have any doubts, you can text us on Telegram at bbinary support. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about the video. If you have any topics or suggestions, comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.